Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will complete exercise 1 of the ICT Level 1 Exam preparation worksheet. This exercise asks us to manage a weekly worksheet for a team. The tasks include updating some hours in the spreadsheet, calculating total hours, weekly pay, total weekly pay, and formatting the spreadsheet to make it clear and organized. Lastly, we will create a graph in a separate tab. Let's start by updating the hours for 3 team members. On Monday, change Alan and Brian's hours to 3. On Sunday, change George Adamo's hours to 9. That completes our first task. Next, we'll format the spreadsheet by adding borders. We'll set all the borders around the cells, change the top row to a different color, light gray, to highlight the heading, and enlarge the text for clarity. After that, we'll move some data by cutting and pasting cells to organize everything correctly. The total section will be aligned accordingly. Now, let's adjust the column widths. We'll select from column C to column L, then put the cursor between C and D and drag right to expand them evenly. Next, we'll format the rate and weekly pay columns. We'll apply accounting number formatting to these columns to make the figures clear. Then it's time to calculate the total hours. We'll use the sum function to total up the hours for each day. Once entered, we'll drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the rows. For the weekly pay, we'll multiply the total hours by the hourly rate. Again, we'll drag the formula down to calculate for all rows. Finally, let's calculate the overall total using the AutoSum function. This will sum all the weekly pay amounts. To make the spreadsheet easier to understand, we'll add notes. Right-click on Total Hours, select Insert Note, and type in a brief explanation. We'll do the same for weekly pay to provide some guidance. Next, we'll create a graph. We'll start by selecting the table from column C to column I, not including the totals. Then we insert a line chart. By pressing F11, we can create the graph in a new tab. We can adjust the chart to show either the weekly hours breakdown by person or day. After adjusting the chart title and font size, we'll add grid lines and data labels from the Add Chart element to make it clearer. Once finished formatting chart 1, let's create a pie chart to show the weekly hours distribution, selecting column B, holding down Ctrl, select column J, then creating a chart using F11. Using Change Chart we select Pie Chart, then adjust the design displaying percentages for each team member, also customize the chart with colors making it easy to read. Lastly, we'll rename our graphs to C1 for the line chart and C2 for the pie chart, matching the format of the exercise, and move these 2 tabs after exercise E1. We also ensure the formatting is consistent throughout. Using the chart design commands and the add items play with the formatting to get more confident. If you make a mistake, just use the undo command. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.